MaxPine has developed a few products that can be very useful and helpful when you do a ketogenic diet. One of them is called S.O.M.M+72. It contains soy peptides. The peptides are small proteins, very small, very easy to digest, doesn't put any pressure on the digestive system, easily absorbed, quick to come out in the system. You have oats, hydrolyzed oats. They will provide a lot of fibers. Beta-glucan will also minimize or stabilize the blood sugar, meaning that the insulin levels will come down. You have moringa leaf, the tree of life. This one will also provide a lot of hormonal support. You will increase your energy levels over the course of the day using moringa. You also have the MCTs. These are the oils that I talked about, the saturated fats with a backbone that is medium long, 6 to 12 atoms long. These oils are quickly absorbed, utilized, not stored as fat. It will be good for your gut health, it will be good for your immune system.